Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 3 System of Equations Long Question Example 3. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the example 3 question now. Alif is a song recording artist. He invested all his royalties of a sum 40,000 ringgit into Sony Music Malaysia, which in a short form SMM, Music Rights Malaysia MRM, and One Stop Music OSM. The amount of money he invested in OSM is 10,000 ringgit more than that of MRM. After 1 year, he received dividend of a sum 3,400 ringgit from all the three music companies. SMM paid a dividend of 7% annually, MRM paid 9% annually, and OSM paid 9% annually. Okay, let me read the remaining question. The amount of money Alif invested in SMM, MRM, and OSM are RMX, RMY, and RMZ respectively. So the question asks to form three linear equations and hence solve the simultaneous linear equations. Alright guys, when you read this question, you'll be like, oh my god, it's such a long words and how I'm going to solve this question. Okay, don't worry guys. So in this case, this example 3, it's involved higher order thinking skills. Okay, in a short form, it's called HOTS. Okay, this is one of the HOTS question which I'm going to show it to you. Okay. The step is pretty similar guys compared to the previous examples that I've discussed to you. The only thing what you need to do is you need to identify the problem from this question, and this problem you need to convert it into a equations. That's the only thing. Okay, once you have done that, and the rest should not be a problem for you guys. Okay. So without further delay, let us start our discussion. Okay, the first step what we need to do is we need to convert the problems into the equation. Okay, for the students out there who don't understand the question when you read in the first time, try to read it for the second time. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to identify all the key points guys in order to form the equation. Okay, as you can see here, the first one they mentioned in the question is Alif invested all his royalties of a sum 40,000 ringgit into Sony Music Malaysia, SMM, MRM, and OSM. So this will be your first possible equation guys you can form. Okay, make sure you label this as an equation 1. Okay, the amount of money he invested in OSM is 10,000 ringgit more than that of MRM. Okay, what you do, this line, okay, I'm going to underline this. Okay, this will be your second equation. After 1 year, he received dividend of a sum 3,400 from all the three music companies. Okay, where SMM paid a dividend of 7%, MRM paid 9%, and OSM paid 9%. Okay, within this, we can actually form a third equation. Okay, since the question they have already mentioned the amount of money Alif invested in SMM, MRM, and OSM are RMX, RMY, and RMZ respectively. Okay, what does this means? For SMM will be RMX, for MRM will be RMY, and for OSM will be RMZ. Okay, RM in this case is the currency guys. Okay, RM stands for Ringgit Malaysia. Okay, for those international students, okay, RM is actually stands for Ringgit Malaysia. It's a currency guys. Okay, please don't get confused. Okay, so once you have already identified the problem from here, so what we're going to do in this case, we're going to convert these problems into the equation. Okay. Step 1, in this case what we're going to do is we're going to convert problems into equation. Okay, so x plus y plus z is equals to 40,000. So we get this from our first problem statement. So what we do, we add the three unknowns together, x plus y plus z is equals to 40,000. So this will be your first equation guys. Okay, as for the second problem statement, they mentioned that the amount of money Alif invested in OSM is 10,000 ringgit more than MRM. Okay, OSM in this case is Z, MRM is Y. Okay, so Z is equals to 10,000 ringgit. I mean, Z is equals to 10,000 plus Y. So when you Z, you minus with Y, so you should get equals to 10,000. So this will be your second equation, guys. Okay, you can write in this way or you can write in this way as well, which is 0x minus y plus z equals to 10,000, or you can write in this way also. So it's up to you guys. So we still have one more equation left to form, which is the third equation. Okay, let me show you the next working. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, remember that Alif have received a dividend from the three companies, 7%, 9%, and then 9%, which you have a total of 3,400. Okay, but then if you want to form in this form, which is in the decimal form, okay, it's not recommended, guys. It will be make you difficult to solve the question. So in this case, what I'm suggesting to you, you times the whole equation by 100. Okay, in this case, 7x plus 9y plus 9z is equals to 340,000 ringgit Malaysia. So this will be your third equation. Okay, now you have already identified all the problems and then you have already converted into the equations. Okay, most of the students will face the trouble in this step, guys. Okay, once they manage to solve this part, and then from the next step onwards, they should not face any problems. Okay, the steps are pretty similar. Okay, from here what we're gonna do is, so proceed to the next step. Okay, we label all the three respective equation. In this case, x plus y plus z is equals to 40,000. So this will be your first equation. 0x minus y plus z equals to 10,000. So this will be your second equation. 7x plus 9y plus 9z is equals to 340,000. So this will be your third equation. Okay, let us proceed. So for the second step, what we need to do is we need to reduce the three variables into two variables. Okay, so you can choose any variable to simplify, guys. In this case, I choose to eliminate the z variable. Okay, so x plus y plus z is equals to 40,000. So in this case, I'm choosing equation 1 and equation 2, guys, to eliminate the z over here. So x plus y plus z is equals to 40,000. This is your first equation. 0x minus y plus z is equals to 10,000. So this is your second equation. In order to perform elimination method for equation 1 and equation 2, you need to minus the both equation, guys. Since z minus z you will get is 0. Okay, so z minus z, you can cancel them out. Okay, so you cancel this out, you should get x plus 2y is equals to 30,000. Okay, this will be your fourth equation, guys. Okay, we still need to perform another reduction of two equations, so that later on the equation 4 and then the following equation 5, we can use the both equation to reduce two variables into one variable. Okay, let us proceed to the next step. Okay, in this case, I choose equation 2 and equation 3, guys. Okay, 0x minus y plus z equals to 10,000. Okay, this is your second equation. 7x plus 9y plus 9z is equals to 340,000. Okay, this is your third equation. In order to eliminate your z, the first step what you need to do, you need to make sure the coefficient of z is same. So what you do, you times the whole equation by 9. Okay, so when you times the whole equation by 9, so from here you get 0x minus 9y plus 9z is equals to 90,000, and then 7x plus 9y plus 9z is equals to 340,000. Okay, so to eliminate the z, what you do, equation 2 you minus with equation 3. Okay, we cancel this out. Okay, so from here you should get negative 7x minus 18y is equals to negative 250,000. Okay, the negative you can simplify, guys, in the both side. So what you can do is you can divide the whole equation by negative 1. So from here you get 7x plus 18y is equals to 250,000. Okay, so this is your equation number 5. Okay. So for the next step, what we're going to do, we're going to reduce two variables into one variable. Okay, how are we going to do that? We're going to perform elimination method for equation 4 and equation 5, which you have already find here. Okay. So the third step, reduce the two variables to one variable. Okay, to perform the elimination method, you can choose any variable, guys. In this case, I choose to eliminate the y variable. Okay. Okay, in order to eliminate the y variable, okay, you need to make sure that the coefficient of y is same. In this case, for the fourth equation, you have 2y, and the fifth equation, you have 18y. So, in order to make the both coefficients same, equation 4 you times by 9. It will be easier for you, okay? When you times the whole equation by 9 for equation 4, so from here you get 9x plus 18y equals to 270,000. And then for the second one, 7x plus 18y is equals to 250,000. Okay, so 18y and 18y we can cancel out. Okay, the elimination method we have already performed. So 9x minus with 7x, which you will get 2x. So 270,000 minus with 250,000. You minus them both, you should get 20,000. Okay, 2x is equals to 20,000. Okay, let me turn to the next page for the remaining working. So please hold on for a moment. So to get x, what you do, 20,000 you divide by 2. You should get your x value is equals to 10,000. Okay, this is your first answer for x. Okay, once you get the value for x, you can immediately find the value for y, guys. Okay, when x equals to 10,000, so you substitute back the x value here. 10,000 plus 2y is equals to 30,000. Okay, you can substitute in either equation 4 or equation 5, guys. It's up to you. So from here, 2y is equals to 20,000. Okay, to find y, what you do, 20,000 you divide with 2. So from here, you get your y is equals to 10,000 ringgit Malaysia. Okay. Okay, we are almost done to our final step. Okay, please hold on, guys. Okay. So the final step, what we need to do is, we need to find the z value using the x and y value, which I have already find here, guys. Okay, in this case, 10,000 plus 10,000 plus z equals to 40,000. So we are using the first equation, guys. So 10,000 plus 10,000 plus z is equals to 40,000. Okay, to find z, what you do, 40,000 you minus with 20,000, guys. So from here, you should get your z is equals to 20,000 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, alright. That is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.